Hi, it's Ian for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just hold home screen with our finger, then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all of the available applications, which widgets you could add. For example, here you could find that the battery application got two types of the widgets. The camera, for example, only one. The calendar has 1, 2, 3, 4 types of the widgets, and to add them to your home screen, just tap on it and click to add icon. If you want to move widgets here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, also hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove widget from your home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.